So I'll be teaching you the instructions. Okay, so we have 4 steps. 4 steps consist of 1 cycle. We'll be doing about 2 to 3 cycles today so that we can compare which is your best performance of the 3.
The actual CPET, we have 2 monitors. We're just showing you one. The other one should be the ECG monitoring.
Inhale, exhale. Last, sir. Inhale, exhale. Okay, ready? Repeat. Blow hard. Sige pa. Padayon lang. Keep on going, sir. Keep on going. Hapit na, sir. Hapit na. Sige, ginawag lang balik.
With long-term, moderate to heavy exercise, the difference is all of them go up, but your cardiac output remains constant due to a downward drift in your stroke volume, but an upward drift in your heart rate.
So these are the common causes for exercise limitation. From a pulmonary standpoint, we do have ventilatory or respiratory muscle dysfunction, gas exchange problems. Cardiovascular system problems can range from reduced stroke volume or chronotropic problems, inotropic problems, abnormal heart rate responses, pulmonary and systemic circulatory abnormalities, anemia.
And inspiration. If we inspire maximally, the additional amount of air that we can inspire is logically known as inspiratory reserve volume.
In Dragon Boat. So, medyo ngayon ang Dragon Boat, but we try to modify it because we want it to be more sport specific. So we acquire a Kayak Pro, na machine nga for rowing, and we put the CPET. But manually we do it, yung load, manual na lang minamanipulate.
So the peak exercise PPO2 of 2762, that's 86% of
The big blue one is the forced vital capacity low volume loop. Okay, the small blue one is the resting tidal loop. And the red one is the exercise tidal loop of the patient during exercise. Let us now discuss the genesis of the exercise tidal loop. Okay, how the flow volume loop is generated.